So welcome again. Are you ready to earn in stock market? If you want to earn in stock market, just start with right direction. So whenever you are sitting for the trading, you just be here at 9 in the morning, because from 9 there is a pre-open market session, then 9:15 the market opens. So you just see what is the last week's movement in Nifty or Sensex. Nifty is the index of National Stock Exchange and Sensex is the index of Bombay Stock Exchange. So you just see the index movement of last 3 or 4 days. Then we'll have to decide the sectors. So how to choose the right sector? Because first of all, you are watching the direction of index, where the market is heading, whether it is going up or it is going down. So first of all, the direction of index. Then second thing, the selection of sector. Which sector should we go for? Suppose we are buying in banks, or selling in real estate, or selling in metal and buying in auto. So choose the right sector, then go for the right stock in that sector. So how to see all these things, how to decide all these things, I am going on that topic. So you just open the Bombay Stock Exchange BSEindia.com, www.bseindia.com. This is the official website of Bombay Stock Exchange. Then here you are saying the Sensex current value, point change, percentage change. So Sensex is minus that day, but mid cap is plus, small cap is plus. So how that is happening? Sometimes the index is less, index is not performing well, because large cap have run already, and now they are taking the breather, and now the mid cap and then small cap are running. So sometimes it is possible there that index is not moving further, but mid cap and small cap are going further. Now how should we see the indices or index? Look at here, market, click this, the second option, about BSE, then market, click this, market, then indices. This is the indices. Click this, indices. In indices, index watch is there. Index watch. I am zooming this so that you can see. Index watch. Now click this, index watch. Again, on the upper layer there is Sensex, mid cap, small cap, 100, 200, 500. These are the broad indices. Then thematic indices, GreenX and CarbonX. Then IPO, SME IPO, Dolex means conversion of Sensex into dollar version. Then these are the sectoral indices. You need to see this sectoral, which sector is performing well and which is not performing at all. So on the topmost, IT, then metal, then tech, BSE healthcare, power, FMCG, auto, BSE oil and gas, consumer durable, realty, capital goods, PSU and BankX. Now we can see, if you want to go into detail of IT index, then click this, S&P BSE IT, click this. Now I want to see with which stocks this index is made up of. So I clicked BSE IT. Now BSE, S&P BSE IT, click this. Then script wise price movement. Script wise price movement, click. So you are seeing all the scripts which are there in this index. These are the total scripts available in IT index. So look at here, which is the most top gainer: Finantech, HCL Tech, then Hexaware, Infosys, Mindtree, Mphasis, Oracle, TCS, TechM and Wipro. So in this way, you just go back to the main index watch again, and then you can enter into the other segment, metal. Click this. I clicked metal segment. Again, S&P BSE metal. Click. Script wise price movement. Click. Now see. Top gainer is Tata Steel. So in case of your decision, if you are trading in stock cash market, so you can choose buying in IT or metal sector. So you can choose any metal which has not performed right now and which is looking strong that day. So you just see which is maintaining above the average, buyers are more, sellers are less, and in the falling market it is not going down. So we could choose Tata Steel there, or JSW Steel, Jindal Steel, or Hindalco Industry. There were so many options. If you are trading in future and option, then you should see in which stock future and options are available. So in Tata Steel and that Hindalco, options are having a good volume. So we can go for Tata Steel call or Hindalco call, and if you are maintaining from morning to evening, you have got a good profit over there, because Tata Steel moved from 285 to 300, and there was a movement of 12 point minimum 4%. So from that 12 point, it was possible to take 5 to 6 point easily. So in this way, we are deciding the sector, but sometime there is a very sudden and fast shuffling in sectors. Sometime when the market has shown movement in last 2 days, clear movement, clear up move or clear downside move, then for the next 2 days there is a very rapid shuffling. Means when you are saying at 10 o'clock IT may be up, on 11 o'clock IT may be on 5th place, on 2 o'clock IT is the bottom in the bottom, and from realty that is here, it may go up. So that's why I am telling you to maintain a time discipline. So you just go for one trade from 10 to 11 and the second trade 2:30 to 3:30. That is the good time. I will discuss in detail for the time slots. So whenever you are choosing the sector, so we didn't choose IT sector today because it was already moving up since last 2-3 days. So we are going for metal, we are going for tech sector because tech was falling since last 3 days. So if it is coming up, then we should go for that because there are more chances of profit in less risk. So in this way we should choose the sector to buy. And BankX, if we click the BankX, we can choose any bank to sell because it is the weakest sector since the morning. You can see here advances 4, declines 9. कितने स्टॉक्स बढ़े इसमें? 4 स्टॉक्स बढ़े. एडवांसेस मतलब जो प्राइस में बढ़े जिन्होंने गेन किया, डिक्लाइंस मतलब जो प्राइस में घटे जिन्होंने लूज किया. टोटल 13 स्क्रिप्ट से मिला के ये बैंक इंडेक्स बना हुआ है. दिस बैंक इंडेक्स इज मेड अप ऑफ दिस 13 स्क्रिप्ट्स. सो अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ 2-3 दिन बैंक्स बहुत बड़ी है और अब आज माइनस में है और बॉटम में है, तो उनको सेल करना सेफ है. इट इज सेफ बिकॉज वो टॉप पे है तो थोड़ा सा गिरेंगी तो एक क्लियर डाउनफॉल आ जाएगा। लेकिन अगर वो अप में हो, मतलब अगर वो 2-3 दिन से गिरी हुई हो कोई चीज़ और अगर आप उसको सेल आउट कर रहे हैं तो फिर अचानक बाउंस आ सकता है। सपोज जैसे कैपिटल गुड्स है, ये ऑलरेडी बॉटम में है, या मेटल 2-3 दिन से गिरा हुआ था, पहले ये नीचे था फिर यहाँ से ऊपर पहुँच गया। तो मेटल अगर नीचे बॉटम में था और आपने ये देखा कि अभी बॉटम में इसको सेल कर दूँ और आपने पीछे 3 दिन 4 दिन का मूवमेंट नहीं देखा तो आपसे फिर गलती हो सकती है। यू सोल्ड इट एंड इट बाउंस बैक, इट केम आउट, तो आपको लॉस हो जाएगा। इसलिए हमेशा ध्यान रखना है इस बात का कि वो सेक्टर पिक पे है या बॉटम में। अगर बॉटम में है तो उसको सेल करना अवॉइड करें, अगर पिक पे है तो उसको बाय करना अवॉइड करें। उस चीज़ को लो जो अभी नीचे से ऊपर चलना शुरू कर दी है उसको बाय करना ज़्यादा सेफर है। जो अभी ऊपर से नीचे चलना शुरू किया है अभी उसको सेल करना ज़्यादा सेफर है। सो दिस इज़ द मेथड ऑफ सेक्टर सिलेक्शन। यहाँ पे कोई फार्मूला नहीं है जो आपको काम देगा, आपको चीज़ों को समझना पड़ेगा, वो समझ सकते हैं। इट विल टेक सम टाइम, थोड़ा वक्त लग सकता है, लेकिन अगर 1 घंटे में 5,000 रुपये कमाने की कला सीखना है तो मुझे तो लगता है कि 5 साल भी ज़्यादा नहीं है, पर इतना नहीं लगेगा आपको। अगर आप हमारे साथ काम कर रहे हैं, चीज़ों को सीख रहे हैं, 5 months इज़ इनफ। सो गो सिस्टमेटिक फॉर द ट्रेनिंग and with time discipline, target discipline, go for the tips also and practice with us, and don't want any spoon feeding from us। चम्मच में लेके खाना आपको खिलाएं ऐसी उम्मीद हमसे मत कीजिए, क्योंकि वो सही नहीं है। उससे आपको हम एक रात अपने घर डिनर पर बुला लेंगे, इससे ज़िंदगी नहीं गुजरेगी। अगर आपने अपने घर पे खाना बनाना सीखा तो आप ज़िंदगी भर खाएंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच, गुड बाय।